As the dust settles on India's sprawling electoral landscape, the nation eagerly awaits the verdict of the people. The latest exit polls from various reputable sources provide a glimpse into the possible outcomes of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, stirring up anticipation and speculation across the political spectrum. According to the exit polls conducted by diverse agencies, including Access My India, See Voter, and Today's Chanakya, the National Democratic Alliance, NDA, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, appears to maintain a strong position. However, the margins and projections vary, reflecting the complexity and diversity of India's electorate. In Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Sikkim, and other states, the exit polls suggest a mixed bag of results, with some indicating a clear advantage for the NDA while others hint at a more competitive scenario. These projections underscore the nuanced dynamics at play in different regions and constituencies. Delving into specific states, the exit polls for Delhi present an intriguing narrative. While the BJP and its allies are poised to make significant gains, the Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, led by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal remains a formidable contender. The Congress Party, though facing challenges, is not to be discounted entirely, as indicated by certain exit poll projections. Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Varanasi, Rae Bareli, Wayanad, and other key constituencies witness a flurry of predictions, with each exit poll offering its unique insights into the possible electoral outcomes. The BJP's performance in these crucial battlegrounds could shape the overall trajectory of the election results. Amidst the fervent speculations and projections, it's essential to approach these exit polls with caution. While they provide valuable snapshots of public sentiment at a particular moment, the actual election results may diverge significantly. Factors such as voter turnout, last-minute developments, and regional dynamics can influence the final verdict in unforeseen ways. As the nation braces itself for the culmination of this democratic exercise, the exit polls serve as a point of reference, igniting discussions and debates across political circles and beyond. The eventual outcome will not only determine the composition of the next government but also reflect the aspirations and choices of millions of Indian citizens.